Hello my dear friends. Welcome to Tattoo Private. Today, in this video, I will show you how I will be applying a cute little butterfly temporary tattoo on my underarms area. Underarm tattoos are very rarely seen and I have created it. A armpit temporary tattoo is a decorative image that can be applied to the skin for short periods of time. Please watch the video and I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you viewers. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos on tattoos.